math workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Someone is.
Yes,
Wow.
ma'am. Ready.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ready.
last time who was not saying that, I didn't ask Pranav and all. No? Okay. 5 minutes multiplication table test. Pranav?
Yes.
Pranav, you?
Ma'am, 2 people in the waiting room.
2 people. I cannot see here, but here. Oh, more. It's near.
Cloud.
Before it was not like this, no? It's coming up. Waiting room now it's.
Ma'am, can it be?
Yes, Pranav, you? Chinmay?
Yes, ma'am.
7 into 8?
56.
56. Alok? Alok? Can you hear me, Alok? Manu? Manu? Children, I think you can unmute yourself. Yes. Manu, 9 into 9. Children, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 9 into 9,
9
81.
is 81.
81. Then why some Alok? Can you please mute Alok and Manu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Alok. 6 into 7.
6 into 7, 42.
42. Manu, 9 into 7.
Ma'am, your sound is lag. Ma'am,
9 into 7.
9 into 7.
Ah,
9 into 7 is equal to 6.
63. Okay. Then Daniel. Daniel, 7 into 4.
Yes, ma'am.
7 into 4.
28.
28. Okay. Anthony, 11 into 11.
22.
I'm adding 11 plus 11 or 11 into 11?
22.
Yes?
No, ma'am.
I didn't ask 11 into
11
2.
into 11.
11 into 11.
21.
Huh?
21.
Which 21? Yes, Richard, tell the answer. 121. Okay.
21.
Okay. Anusri, 8 into 7. Yes, Anusri. 8 into 7.
56, ma'am.
56. I think she has some connectivity problem. Okay, so children, in the last class we were discussing.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Anusri.
Ma'am?
Is there any network problem?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Can
going
you tell me 9 into
every
6?
time.
9 into 6.
Hello.
9 into 6. Anusri? Okay, I think she has some connection problem. Okay, no problem. So children, we were discussing the 5 properties of multiplication in the last period, and the number of, we can estimate, means we can predict the number of, maximum number of digits in the answer, that is product. So if x digit number, when we are multiplying with y digit number, maximum number of digits can be x plus
Ma'am,
y. Okay.
ma'am, by this we can look our answer is correct or not.
Which one?
Ma'am,
With
if
maximum
you...
number of digits.
Yes, ma'am.
No, we can only predict. It will not be more than 6
No,
digits.
ma'am, I am asking if our answer, we got the answer more than that digit, that answer
That
is
will
wrong.
be wrong. Yes, that will be wrong.
Ma'am, we can check the answers.
You can check like that. Okay. So children, we are going to do now question number 13. 1, 3. All of you.
14.
One question I think we will do together, and the next one, question number 14, you have to do alone. So all the children, what you have to do? First, take your question number 13.
Ma'am, can I do the problem?
Yes, ma'am. We can see
Ma'am,
the
we
board.
can see the board.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we do the problems with the pen?
Page
Pen.
Okay,
If you
ma'am,
are
can we do?
confident, you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we are going to write. So all the children, please listen. Don't write start from here below the question here. Then what will happen? You cannot write the carryover on the top. And to the margin, don't write there, because if we have one more digit to the left, we have to add. So you can write not to the margin left side and not to top, because if there is some carryover, there should be some space to write. Understood? Now what you will do? First we will write the number. First we will write the number like this. If 2, 5, 6, 8 multiplied by, children, line up properly. Don't keep these numbers like this 15, not start from left side. You have to like place how to one below the other, ones place, tens place, okay? Line up properly. Now I'm going to write the number that is place values on the top. Okay, so I'll choose another color here. Okay, so here I will write here ones, tens. Children, don't write anything now. First thing, you can listen, then you can start writing 100. Then I have thousands place. Okay, so children, we will write one more. Approximately here 4 digit, here 2 digits. So 6 digit can be there. So I will write here 10,000 also, because we don't know in the product, maybe there will be one more place. Okay, so where will I start? I will start with the ones place, that is 5. Ones place I will start, that is 5 ones I have, 5 ones. I have 5 ones. So where will I multiply? I will multiply with the ones first. 8 5s are 40. Then 4 carry over. 5 into 6, 30 plus 4, 34. I will keep here the carry over. Then 5 into 5, 25 plus 3, 28. Then carry over 2 here. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So I have here now 5 digits. So that is 10,000 place, 12, 8, 4, 0. Now here I have 1 tens. For the second row, I told you, we discussed in the last class, I will start with 0. And children, it is very important that you should line up properly. Children, I will give time to do alone. I will, now first listen one time, because this line up and placing one according to the place value, like ones should be placed below ones only. That is very important. Otherwise, you will get mistakes. So all the children, one question I am explaining, all of you please listen. So here here I have to multiply this 1 tens. So here in the second row, I have 1 tens, with that only I have to multiply. So first in 1 tens we have 1 0. I will place 1 0 here. Then start with here 1 into 8, 8. I will start with the tens place. Now 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 2, 2. Now I can add the first row and second row we have to add. Now 0 plus 0, here 0. 8 plus 4, 12. This carry over 1, I have to keep it here. And here 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. So we have 3, 8, 5, 2, 0. So children, if for one question you can draw the place value chart if you want, that is okay. If you want to draw the place value chart, okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. If you feel that you will make mistake, in lining up. Okay, you can, if you see like this, you can add properly. So our question 2568 have 4 digits, and our second one, that is multiplicand and multiplier. In the multiplier we have 2 digits, so maximum it can have 6 digits in the answer, but here we have 1 2 3 4 5 digits. It's not okay, it's not necessary that it should have 6, but it can have maximum 6, so it can have less than that. Here in our answer we have 5 digits. So in the question, children, what you have to? You have to first start multiplying with the ones, and in the second row you have to start with 1 0, because we are multiplying with 1 0. Children, is there any doubt here?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can we draw the place value?
Yeah,
for
you
the
can draw the place value chart.
question and answer?
Huh?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can we draw the place value for the question and answer?
Yes, you can draw the question and answer means 1 minute time, and I will give you time. In one place value chart, you can write
Yes,
question
ma'am.
and below that answer in the same place value chart.
Like that, ma'am.
Okay, like that. Okay, and Ayman, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, you wrote that ma'am, you told that there will be maximum 6 digits, so that all we should write on that.
No, no, just I was explaining that, okay? No need to write that. We just multiply. If you want to, I told you that place value chart, it will helpful. It will be helpful. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Then each row you can draw for one set of row if you want, because you will not make mistakes if you line up properly. So children, can you write this now in your workbook? You want me to show this board again?
No, ma'am.
Can
you
Yes?
show once more? Can you show?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show the board once
Yes,
more?
ma'am.
Okay.
Can you show the board once more?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
So children,
Thank you, ma'am.
no need to write here. Here one, that.
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
And can I do till the 18th question?
Huh?
And can I do till the 18th question?
Do till 18?
Question.
Okay, I will give time. Now, have you completed question number 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, what I have written on the side, no need to write. Okay?
And can I do?
Yes, you can, if you know. Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, did you rub the things?
Can you see the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have erased all here what I have written on the side. That is for your information. No need to write that now. Now you can see the board. If you, I told you, you can draw the place value chart here. Oh, here.
I'm writing finish.
Okay, 2, 5, 6, and here 8,
Give
1,
it,
5.
Ma'am,
And I
can
told
we-
you can draw the place value chart.
Ma'am, can we give it a space to put the carryovers?
Yes. What?
Ma'am, can we put
Did you
it-
understand how to draw the place value chart? Now I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you look at the board. I
Yes.
have drawn that. Yes, Angelina, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, can we have a space to write the carryovers?
That's why I told you, when you write, don't write on the just top of the, just below the answer, you have to leave some space. And to the left side also, if you are writing till like in the like margin, you will not get one more place to write it here. Here, see, we start with thousands place, but in our answer, we have one more place value, 10,000. That's why we should write little below and don't write near that left side. No, don't make it to the margin. Understood? Why? Because in the answer we have one more place value, and on top of that we have to write the place, means carryover. Okay? Finished?
1 minute to write the numbers.
Excuse ma'am, we
Yes.
can write it on the place value and simply write ones, tens, hundreds over top of the numbers.
Yes, Anandesh, I'm not here.
Ma'am, can I simply write ones, tens, hundreds on top of the numbers?
Yes, that also
Or
you can
we should
write. Yes.
place values.
Place value chart, one or two questions only we will do, because just because we are doing that large numbers, no, so sometimes there will be chance you will not see the carryover and all. That's why I told you to draw the place value chart. Otherwise it's okay. If you are confident, you can write.
We can write it on the top of the numbers.
Yes, you can write like that also. And children, in this question we have 15. So in the second row there is no carryover. Okay, but if the second row also will be having a carryover, you have to be
Excuse
careful.
me, ma'am.
That
Ma'am,
we will do
someone
in the
is there
next
in the
question.
waiting.
All of you. Okay, can you read question number? Richard, can you read question 14?
And there's someone in the waiting room.
Waiting room.
Usually this waiting room used to come below, like now some changes is there for the
Ma'am, Gautam.
Gautam. Okay. Who is reading that one? Richard? I
Ma'am.
cannot hear. Question number 14.
Ma'am,
Multiply.
the largest 4-digit number by the largest 2-digit number.
Okay, multiply the largest 4-digit number by largest 2-digit number. Can you tell me which is the largest 4-digit number?
9,999.
9,999. And what about the largest 2-digit number?
99.
99. Okay, children, will you be able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
do
ma'am.
alone. Do alone. Children, all 9 and there will be carryover. Please do carefully. All the children, question number 14. First, the step you have to line up properly. Multiply the largest 4-digit number by the largest 2-digit number. And we know largest 1, 2, 3, 4. And here below that you can write 9 and 9.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
in the 13th question, when we do 5,
What we cannot see, ma'am.
ma'am, can you show the
What, Angelina?
ma'am, in the 13th question, in one when we do the multiplication with ones, 5, like with 5, right, ma'am?
Hmm.
So when we do 5 into 5 is 25, right?
Yes, yes.
So when we add, we get 32, right?
You didn't get the answer.
No, ma'am. When I did some problem.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, Angelina, can you see question number 13 now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now check where is your doubt.
Ma'am,
5 into 8, 40. 0 here. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Then that carry over 4 here.
Ma'am,
5 into 6. 30 plus 4, 34. 3 carry over. 5 into 5, 25 plus 3, 28 here. And 2 carry over. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 2, 12. So first answer this 1, 2, 8, 4, 0. This is the first row. Is there any mistake in the first row? Angelina, please check. Angelina?
Ma'am, for 2, I wrote 1, ma'am, carry over.
That carry over, that is 2. Okay. 5 into 5, 25 plus that one. Okay. That's a mistake, yes? But now when you start with the second row, you have to start with 0. Then we have 8, 6, 5, and 2. Then you have to line up properly. Children, if you line up properly, then only your addition will be correct. All the children, that one's place should be below the first row, that one's place, and the second row, one's place should be matching. And question number 14.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Finished? Okay.
Yes,
Those who
ma'am.
finish, okay, please keep quiet. And Rohit going to start with me. Rohit. All others, please mute. Yes, Rohit. Rohit, can you hear me? Rohit? Is there any problem with the net? Adinath, can you please help me?
Ma'am.
Okay. 9 into 9.
81.
81. So I will keep here 1 and 8 on the top. Okay. Again, 9 into 9. 81.
81.
Plus 8.
89.
89. I will write here 9 and carry 8 here. Again. 9 into 9. 81 plus 8.
81.
81 plus 8.
89.
89. Again, 8 carry over. 9 into 9. 81 plus 8.
81.
Plus 8, 89.
89.
Okay. So, children, did you get this? 8, 9, 9, 9, 1.
Yes,
All of you got the
ma'am.
answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
second row, how we will start? Second row,
Ma'am, we will add
Starting with 0.
0. We had to start with 0 because we are starting with multiplying with tens.
10 place.
Right same. Now write same because
If you
here
write
answer is here.
1, 9, 9,
Here you can start 1,
9, 9,
9,
9,
8.
One.
Line up properly. Line up properly. Now you can add. Yes, Adinath, can you complete that one?
Yes.
1 plus 0,
1.
1. 1 plus 9, 9 plus 1,
0.
10. I will keep here 1 carry over. Okay, 1 plus 9, 10 plus 9,
9 plus 9, 18.
19.
Plus 1, 19.
Okay. Again carry over. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19.
19,
Again carry over. 1.
18,
18.
18. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 18. Again 1 carry over. 1
9,
plus 8,
9,
9. So the answer
Will be
is
9.
9, 8, 9, 9, 0, 1. Children, please keep the like commas there. After 3 digits, then 2 digits.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anusri, can you read this number?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me.
9 lakh
9 lakh
Answer.
89,901.
89,901. So 989,901. Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, all of you got?
Space to write the answer.
Ma'am, can you show
Yes.
the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Got.
Anandesh, can you write on page number 51? Please check page number 51. You have place or not?
Ma'am, that is not clear. I write it down.
If you don't have place, you can write again on the next page. Okay?
Ma'am, can you show the screen?
Ma'am, not
Screen?
that.
Screen.
Yes, Anandesh.
Ma'am, ma'am,
One minute, all of you please wait. I cannot hear what Anandesh is speaking. Yes,
Ma'am, in
Anandesh.
the page number 51, there is space for the 14. But I cannot write the answer. It is not clear because there is no space. Correct? I decided of that.
So can you erase everything and can you write on the next page?
Ma'am, it's like this.
It's not clear for me.
Ma'am, it looks like
okay.
full white plain paper.
Yes.
Ma'am, it looks
You can
like
write
plain
little more
paper.
up. Little more up, no? And then you can start from little more up.
Somebody's in the waiting room. Somebody's in the waiting room.
This for the next period, I think next period children, no? Abhimanyu is there. Abhimanyu.
Ma'am.
All other 5. See, now they are waiting for their class. Children, is there any doubt with
Ma'am,
this?
but now only 5.
The answer is 9,89,901.
You can see the board again. See the board again.
5 minutes.
Can you see the board? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Check your answers. First row, second row, first row, second row,
Third row.
then
Any
third row.
homework is there?
Check the additions.
Second row. Ma'am, any homework is there?
Now we have done today only with the 2-digit multiplier. So I will give you one question. All of you do now in the rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I give the homework 15th question?
15th, that is 3-digit. That's why I'm not
Ma'am, it's easy.
easy.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
we can do in the
I
next
already
class.
completed that all.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'll try to complete this
Ma'am, I
chapter today.
Okay, children, now can you see the whiteboard here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you take
ma'am,
this
we can
question
see the
fast,
whiteboard.
fast. 39822. Do fast and tell me. Tell me the fast. Tell me, do this in your rough book. All of you.
Yeah.
When now which set we should tell the answer?
Yes. Agnes, start and tell me the answer fast. 8 2s are
16.
16. 6 carry over 1. Okay, again 9 2s are
18.
18 plus 1.
19.
19. 1 carry over. 3 2s are
6.
6 plus 1.
7.
7. Okay, start with
8,550.
8 2s are 16.
16.
1 carry over.
And three number.
756.
Okay, tell me the answer. 6.
8,550.
8,756.
8756. Correct?
500.
Do this as homework.
8,756.
All of you take this question as homework.
Ma'am, I finished. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we finished, ma'am. So can you give us
3946 into
another
45.
homework?
Ma'am, finished.
Which one I'm saying? 3946 into 45.
Into 5.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
946.
3946.
Okay, ma'am.
Multiply by
Ma'am, brothers, class will start now.
20, 23. 23.
Excuse me, ma'am.
509.
Yes.
55, 46, 47.
Okay,
Then 5.
13 question.
9.
We got the answer.
This
is homework, right?
Now, all the children who have doubt, raise your hand. Some 2 children are asking together. Who was asking 13th question again now?
battery slow. Can I